Emergency control functions enhance the life safety of the building. Let's take 2 minutes to learn more about them. So, emergency control functions allow the fire alarm system to interact with other building systems. Fire alarm system oftentimes is going to be what is in control of those other systems. Through emergency control functions, we are providing control for greater life safety. Some of our more common types of emergency control functions are going to be things such as your elevator control. In the event that a lobby detector is activated, the elevator will recall. If it's a sprinkler hoistway, we have shutdown. HVAC shutdown is another type of emergency function that we see, where activation of the duct detectors will then shut down the HVAC unit, preventing spread of smoke through the building. Door release, think about your door holders, things like that. Activation of the alarm, that door closes, becoming a fire and smoke barrier. And lastly, if we have electrically locked doors or access control, we have emergency control functions so that upon activation of the building system, fire alarm system, those doors can be free egress. Now, the way that we tie the fire alarm system to those other emergency control functions is going to be through a emergency control function interface. The most common form of interface is going to be a relay. However, there are other things that could be utilized. Permitted are going to be things such as data interface or other listed methods, modules, things like that are going to be some of your other emergency control function interface devices. The location of those emergency control function interface devices have to be within 3 feet of the component controlling that emergency function, unless control of the function is a Class D circuit, meaning it's fail-safe. We're going to have them within 3 feet of the controlled equipment or the controller that is controlling the emergency function. The wiring for these emergency control functions will be wired from the panel, class A, B, or X, but from the interface device to the actual emergency control function is going to be class D, fail-safe.